We'll go.
Hello, we are going to the airport.
Paano? Bakit na yan? So, dito yung mga gamit eh. Gamit ni Kobe to. Yung gamit sa school. Ito yung mga medyas niya, mga bahay, jacket niya. Ito yung akin guys, yung sapatos din. May yun, yung mga gamit sa ano, sa toothpaste, mga sabon nandiyan. Ayan. Hindi namin madadala guys yung lahat ng ano gamit ni Kobe dahil iba iwan na lang dito, may siguro ibabagahin na lang siguro kung sakali. Parang hindi kasi lalaki yung bata no? Hindi na rin ano masusuot niya. So dalawang luggage kami. Ito yung sa mga damit namin. Ito yung hand carry. Tapos yung isa, ito yung ano lagayan natin ng ano ilaw dito. Yan, lagayan ng mga pasalubong. Tapos nandito na rin yung ano niya gamit sa school. Ito yung mga sapato dalhin. Yan. So ayun guys, kailangan namin timbangin yung dalawang bagay. Actually sa Gulf Air, allowed kami ng 40 kilo. Pero pagdating dito sa domestic, kailangan namin yung 20 kilo. So kailangan yung every luggage is 20 kilo. So kailangan namin timbangin muna dito guys para hindi na siya hassle ba. Pagdating sa domestic, hindi na kami magbawas. So dalawang luggage. May 20 kg lang kasi kami allowance eh. So yun guys, titimbangin muna namin. Timbangin natin.
I-ano mo?
Pag 20 kg siya.
I-ano mo?
Mag-ano naman yan kasi bibigat na. Uy, sumobra. 22.6. So, kailangan natin magbawas ng 2.6. Ano? Ayun guys, sumobra siya. Oh. Baliktad lang yan. 22.6. So, kailangan namin magbawas ng 20.3. Pwede na yan. Pwede na sila yan. Yes, baba lang natin guys. Baba lang natin.
What are you doing?
Fix?
Guys.
Wow, help me! We are going to die!
Excited.
Excited ah. Where you will go, Kobe?
Kobe.
Where you will go?
Hello, we are going to the airport!
Excited.
Excited talaga siya.
Guys, dito na tayo sa ano? Airport. Hawakan mo. Naka na.
Oh my god, man! Oh my god, man! Bro, oh no, bro!
Thank you, brother.
Oh, hell.
Thank you, brother. Let's go.
Oh, hell.
Si Kobe ha?
ng rails.
Kobe! Look at here!
Guys, it's G.
So ito na.
Kaso lang guys, si Mami hindi makasama. Kasi ano lang namin ito eh. Short vacation lang.
Atid lang.
Hatid lang namin. Hatid ko pala. Hindi na. Checkin na muna natin. Oras ba? 4:30. Pwede na kaya? Pwede na siguro, no? Ah, pwede na. Na-open namin.
Daddy!
Para makaano kami ng upuan.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Last time I go said, Daddy, where are you?
Yeah. 19.7. So kailangan kasi guys, titimbangin mo natin at least alam natin kung ano, siyempre alam natin yung timbangan, di ba? Allowed kasi sa atin 40 kilo lang every passenger.
Yay!
So, ayun.
Kobe!
Daddy! This is very friendly. Yeah.
So ayun guys, tapos na tayo mag-check-in ng ating mga luggage. So 7:45 PM yung ating boarding natin. So mamaya tayo magpupunta sa loob kasi mahaba pa yung oras natin. Kobe, you will go Philippines now, Kobe?
Yeah.
After 6 years, you'll study there in Philippines. So ayan guys, after 6 years, hindi naman 6 years, kumbaga doon na mag-aaral si Kobe sa Pilipinas.
6 years. Hindi ka naman 6
Hindi, simula nung ano yun, di ba? Simula nung ano niya. So, kumbaga uwi na talaga siya ba? Pero pag tingnan natin, no? Makabalik. I mean, madali lang naman kumuha ng ano eh, visit visa. Actually, may visa pa siya. Anytime pwede pa siya kung sakali. Ano. Pero alam ko, after 3 months, pagka hindi siya magpunta rito sa bansang Bahrain, makakancel yung visa niya. Yan. Next year pa naman ma-expire yung visa niya.
That's cocomelon.
Cocomelon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coco.
We'll check here. Say hi to mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
We'll check the
There's
vodka.
sign there.
Yeah, we'll check first the vodka. If how much.
A car.
Yeah.
It's $1 million.
We'll check this side first.
Airplane.
Which one?
Where's it? There?
Yeah, we'll go that side. Come, let's go.
Yeah.
So guys, dito na kami sa pa-boarding pass. Pa-boarding na kami guys, papuntang gate namin. So 7:45 daw yung boarding. Go, we can go that side. Go. Let's go. So see you guys. See that?
Yeah, I see. Let's go to AA.
22B. 22A. Nakasiparit na pala yung ano, yung mga upo ng likod, upo ng harap. Andun yung sa harap. Dito kami. We are here. We'll go that side, Kobe. Come beside me.
We are in Mommy. Hi guys, we are going now.
Kobe. Last. Move. We are in 54, the last. Yeah. 54, maybe.
Where is our seat? We were there. One.
Your last. We are here inside guys. Nasa loob na kami mga par. Kobe. What you have? You have bread. You have fruits and vegetables. What's this?
What's that?
What? Chicken. Pasta? Yeah, it's a pasta. Nice, Kobe. You'll remove now? Wait, I will help you. Let's do like this. Yeah.
Carrots and pupukaka.
Time to eat. We're near in Philippines now. How many minutes? I'll check how many minutes. It's 46 minutes.
It's 46 minutes.
We are here now, guys. We are here now, Bobby.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Lord, for the safe price, safe landing, safe everything, Lord. Thank you so much. Stay with me. We are here, guys. Malapad lang, guys. Thank you so much sa biyahe. Thank you, Lord.
Here right now. Let's go.
Dito na kami, guys, sa OFW. Ko lang kung anong requirements pa. Titingnan natin, guys.
My Wi-Fi slow.
Okay, ito yung pagkain, guys. Oh. Cupcake, pansit, lugaw, at siupaw, at may mga drinks din. Okay na, give me that. I'll fix. Ayan, guys, yung loob ng OFW Lodge, guys.
It's mystery dumpling.
Lapit lang pala sa Terminal 3. Sakayan dito lang.
Try one. Try one. Mama, you
Only that two, ha? Only two. What are you doing there?
Daddy, you have Wi-Fi?
Yeah. What are you doing there?
But I don't have Wi-Fi.
Waiting for your flight?
Yeah.
Cebu Pacific? It's there already, oh.
Where?
It's there.
Where?
It's there at the back. The airplane at the back. Did you see that? Okay guys, dito na kami sa Bicol. This one kami, volcano?
Yeah.
Really? Really? You scared? Did you scared? Huh? Did you scared, Kobe? See? Bicol International Airport.